Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers Volvo S60 updated. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass, press the small release tab on the blade, slide the old blade off, align the new blade hook, push until it clicks, and lower the arm gently to avoid snapping the new rubber into place. Test with washer, fluid to confirm proper contact, streak-free wipes, and basic safety checks. Start by confirming blade sizes and type for your Volvo S60, then pick matched pairs for front coverage. Beam blades often resist ice and lift better in wind, while conventional blades remain budget-friendly. Keep your receipt and note the part numbers for future purchases, and bring a rag to clean the arm pivot and windshield contact area before fitting the new blades to ensure optimal performance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides you enjoy. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum looks great for keeping your garage and car mats tidy with voice control and smart mapping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want cleanliness on autopilot, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. With the arm held up, depress the small release tab and slide the worn blade off the hook mount. Inspect the hook and pivot for corrosion, then align the replacement blade adapter and push it until it locks audibly. Lower the arm with a controlled motion to avoid cracking the windshield, activate the washer to check for streaks, and recheck the tightness after a short test drive to keep visibility reliable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.